Hi y'all, Carrie D here, host of Coffee with Carrie Homeschool Podcast and the author of Just Breathe and Take a Sip of Coffee. You can't see my face today because I'm doing a series where I'm playing some of my favorite math games using either a simple deck of cards or a pair of dice. Now this game is perfect for your high schoolers or your junior hires who are learning about absolute value and positive and negative numbers, all right? So in this game, the red cards are negative and the black cards are positive. And this game is called Zero the Hero. So you're trying to be the first one to get all of their cards, or as many cards as they can, to add up to 0, all right? So for instance, I deal out to myself these 5 cards, right? And so I have a -3, +3, +1, -6, +6. And I'm trying to use these cards in any way that I can to try and come up with 0. And I promise I didn't do this at first, but this came out pretty good. So a -3 plus a +3 is 0. And -6 plus +6 is 0, right? So I have 0 plus 0. And then if I multiply it by 1, which is my ace, I still have a 0. So I was able to do it with my 5 cards, all right? So let's deal out my son's cards and see if he can get to 0 as well, all right? So he has a -1, +2, +7, +8, +7. This is gonna be a little difficult, but he can do whatever he wants with these. So let's just say he does 7 divided by 7 is 1. And then maybe 1, well, he might only be able to go 7 divided by 7 is 1 times, 1 minus 1, right? That's 0. So he's able to get to 0, but he could only use 3 of his cards in order to do it. So I won that particular round because I got to 0, but I was able to use all 5 of my cards. Now let's just say both of us couldn't get to 0, then the winner who is closest to 0 wins that round. All right, have fun.